Good morning student and welcome to my English language class. Okay student, today I will teach you pronouns and kinds of pronouns. Okay. First I will revise this pronoun. What is a pronoun? Okay. Words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. As you learn these pronouns in your class first, second, है ना, in your previous class also your teacher taught you about the pronouns. Today we will do the only revision of this pronoun. What is a pronoun? I told you words which are used in place of noun is known as pronoun. So by example I will clear it for you. Okay, see, Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. So Ram is your noun. This Ram word is your noun because this is the name of a boy. So we can use he in place of this Ram. Okay, so we can use he. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. So I use in second line this word he in place of Ram, and other words are same. So this he is your pronoun. Okay, we use he word for the boys. And second, Meena. Meena is my friend. Meena is my friend. This is the name of a girl. So what we will use? We will use in place of Meena she. She is my friend. She is my friend. So Meena is your noun and I use she word in place of Meena. This she is your pronoun. Okay, the words he, she, me, I, all these are our pronouns. And one more example, Meena Kamla and Sonia are friends. So here are three names of girls. So we can use here which pronoun we will use here? Meena, Kamla and Sonia. These are three names. It means this is plural. So we can use here they. They are friends या फिर we are friends. We are friends. These two words are our pronoun. Kamla, Meena, Sonia. These are the name of girls. So these names are our noun and we can use here we are friends या फिर they are friends. Okay. These are your pronouns. And students, there are 5 kinds of pronoun. How many kinds? 5 kinds. First, personal pronoun. second reflexive pronoun, third demonstrative pronouns, fourth is interrogative pronouns, and third is possessive pronoun. Okay, these are 5 kinds of pronouns. First is your personal pronouns. So what are the personal pronouns? By example, I will explain it. First is your I go to school daily. I go to school daily. This word I. This word is used for us. हम अपने लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? आई गो टू स्कूल डेली. तो दिस आई इज़ आवर प्रोनाउन. ये हम अपने लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं एंड दिस इज़ आवर पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. ओके. सेकंड, सोहन गेव मी अ पेंसिल. सोहन गेव मी अ पेंसिल. दिस मी इज़ ऑल्सो आवर प्रोनाउन. सोहन ने मुझे दी है पेंसिल. तो दिस मी वर्ड इज़ योर प्रोनाउन. एंड यू आर अ गुड बॉय. You are a good boy. Here this you word is used for someone, and this he is a brave boy, and this word is used for boy. He is a brave boy. Just before I gave you example na of Ram, तो वैसे ही we can write here Ram is a brave boy. तो in place of Ram we can write he is a brave boy. Then fifth is they are good boys. This they word is your personal pronoun. This I, me, you, he, they and them. Tell them to work hard. All these words are our personal pronouns. Words which we use for first person, second person and third person is known as personal pronouns. Understand? The name of person or thing. Pronouns in the above sentences stand for the names of person or things. Such pronouns are called personal pronouns. In these sentence I use this word I, me, we and us. Okay, I, me, we and us refer to the person speaking. Means a person who is speaking. So these pronouns are used for that. I, me, we and us. So these are our first person. Understand? First person. Suppose Ram is talking with Shyam. So Ram is talking na. So Ram is first person. With whom Ram is talking? Ram is talking with Shyam. So second person is Shyam. The pronouns you, do, the refer to the person spoken to. मतलब जिसके साथ हम बात कर रहे हैं. Understand? Ram is talking with Shyam. So Shyam is second person. Shyam is second person. And we use do, or you, do and the. These three words for the second person. These are also our personal pronouns. And third thing, the third person. Third person means suppose Ram and Shyam is talking. Okay, Ram and Shyam are talking. So Ram is talking. So Ram is your first person. Ram is talking with Shyam. Shyam is second person. The both boys, Ram and Shyam, दोनों लड़के बात कर रहे हैं किसी और के बारे में. ठीक है, किसी और के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. मीन्स जो किसी और के बारे में बात की जा रही है वो हो गया थर्ड पर्सन. दैट इज थर्ड पर्सन. एंड वी यूज ही, हिम, शी, हर एंड दे वर्ड्स फॉर द थर्ड पर्सन. तो ऑल दीज वर्ड्स विच आर यूज्ड फॉर फर्स्ट पर्सन, second person and third person, all these words are our personal pronouns. I, me, we, us, you, thou, thee, he, him, she, her and they. Understand? And second is your reflexive pronoun. Which pronoun? Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns: myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, themselves. When used as the object of a verb, means these words comes after the verb, are called the reflexive pronouns. All these words are our reflexive pronouns, and we use these all words as object of a verb. For example, I have hurt myself. I have hurt myself. This hurt is your verb, and this is your object also. So here this myself is used as object. So this myself is your reflexive pronouns. Second example, you have to do your work yourself. In this sentence, here is yourself. Yourself is your reflexive pronoun. Okay, with you we use yourself. With I we use myself. Okay, reflexive pronoun. She has cooked food herself. This herself is here object. So it is our reflexive pronouns, and with she we use herself. Now they have hurt themselves. Here is also this themselves is your object of this verb, and with they we use themselves. Understand? They have hurt themselves. So all these words are our reflexive pronouns. After that, demonstrative pronouns. Yes, demonstrative pronouns are this, these, that, those, are used to point out the object or object for which they are used. This and these refer to things near at hand, means things which are near. We use this word, this and these. And that and those refer to the things lying at a distance, and things which are far from us we use that and those. Therefore, we call demonstrative pronouns. So these words, this, that, these and those are our demonstrative pronouns. Okay. See, this is my pencil. Pencil is singular. So here we have to use this, and it is near also. Suppose pencil is lying near us. हमारे पास है वो पेंसिल, तो what we will say? This is my pen. Suppose the book is lying far from me. Book जो है मेरे से दूर है, रखी हुई है. तो what I will say? That. और book is singular. एक ही book है. Only one book is there. So we will use that. That is my book. Okay. And these are your pens. Suppose so many pens are lying near me. मेरे पास ही बहुत सारे पेन रखे हुए हैं. तो I will use these, and with these we use are. These are your pens. Understand? These is used for plural nouns. These are used with plural nouns. Those are his dogs. Dogs is also plural. So we will use, dogs is also plural. So we will use those words. Okay, those are his dogs. Understand? So this, these, that, those are our demonstrative pronouns. After this, here is interrogative pronouns. Pronouns which are used for asking the questions. Student, the pronouns which are used for asking the question are called interrogative pronouns. Understand? For examples, here are few interrogative pronouns. Who made that noise? This word is help to make the question the rest of sentence. इस हूँ के कारण जो ये पूरा सेंटेंस ये क्या बन जा रहा है? क्वेश्चन. Who made that noise? Second, what is the matter? With the help of this what, it is a question. Same, which is the cleverest boy here? This which word is making the question. An example fourth, which is the best book? This which word is help to make the question. Which is the best book? Okay. And fifth example, whom do you want to see? Whom do you want to see? This whom word is making the question, interrogative. Whose is this pen? And with the help of this whose, here I made this sentence into a question. Whose is this pen? So all these are questions, and with these are question because here we use all the demonstrative pronouns. The words which used for asking the question is known as interrogative pronouns. Okay. Now fifth one is possessive pronouns. What are the possessive pronouns? See the example. That book is not yours. That book is not yours. It's mine. So this word mine is our possessive pronoun. Same, lend her your pen. She has lost hers. This hers word is your possessive pronoun. And third example is that house is mine. This word mine is our possessive pronouns. Okay, this mine word we use for us, and hers is for girls. And here you can see the words yours, mine, hers, his, ours and theirs. All are our possessive pronouns. In your grammar book there is a lot of exercise. You can do the practice of these. You can see here look at the house. Look at the house. How dash burns. House is a non-living thing, so we will use here it. Look at the house. How it burns. Like Sita, because feel can trust. You like Sita because you feel you can trust. Okay, you like Sita because you feel you can trust. This is the example of personal pronouns. This is the exercise for personal pronouns. So you have to fill this exercise, and after this there is exercise number 33 is also there. In this exercise you have to fill the reflexive pronouns. For example, Rita, you will hurt. Here yourself. This you. With you we use yourself. Now here Sita. Sita is the name of a girl. Sita often talks to Because Sita is a girl, so we can write here herself. Sita often talks to herself. We often deceive. With we have to use ourselves. Okay. So here I will give the example of one more exercise number 34. In this exercise you have to use possessive pronouns. Okay. Here, I own that puppy. I own that puppy. It is mine. मैंने खरीदा है ये पपी, तो ये किसका है? मेरा है, mine. You own that puppy. You, तुमने खरीदा वो पपी. It is yours. He owns that puppy. It is his. With I, we have to fill mine. Which possessive pronoun? Mine. With you, yours. With he, his. With she, hers. With we, ours. With they, theirs. Okay. So these are exercise which here in with the help of this exercise you have to do the practice of your kinds of pronouns. Understand? Now thank you student for watching the video and keep practicing of your work in book and notebook both. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.